आपने सोचा था थाईलैंड की ट्रिप 80,000 की पड़ेगी, बट फिर बुक करने लगे और वो 90,000 की हो गई। ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि डॉलर महंगा हो गया होगा और बस थोड़ी सी करेंसी की मूवमेंट से पूरा बजट हिल जाता है। वेलकम बैक टू आवर करेंसी एंड कमोडिटी सीरीज। इन द लास्ट एपिसोड वी कवर्ड व्हाट करेंसीज एंड कमोडिटीज आर। टुडे we'll understand what causes their prices to change. Currency price drivers. Let's begin with currencies. Like the Indian rupee versus the US dollar, these prices fluctuate every single day. But the reasons are not random. They are based on macroeconomic indicators like interest rates. Higher interest rates is equal to more foreign investors. Foreigners want better returns, so they buy more rupees, making it stronger. Trade balance. India buys more from abroad than it sells. Imports is more than exports. This means more demand for dollars and less for rupees, which weakens the rupee. Inflation. Higher inflation is equals to price rise is equal to rupee losing value. Investors lose trust and its value drops further. Political and economic stability. A stable government means trust in the rupee. Uncertainty and instability means less trust and more volatility. Moving forward to commodity price drivers. Now let's understand commodities like gold, oil, wheat, and cotton. Commodity prices are influenced by physical market dynamics and global events like demand and supply. When demand rises but supply remains limited, prices go up. Weather and climate events. Agricultural commodities like wheat, rice, or cotton are directly affected by rainfall, droughts, or even floods. Geopolitical events, wars, sanctions, and political unrest affect oil, gas, and metals. And lastly, global investment trends. In uncertain times, investors park their money in safe assets like gold. The speculative demand also drives prices. Impact on everyday life. Now we'll understand how price movements impact your everyday life. A weaker rupee makes imported goods, foreign education, and travel more expensive. Rising crude oil prices push up transportation costs, and that affects everything from groceries to delivery charges. Unfavorable weather can lead to expensive vegetables and pulses at your local market. Even if you don't invest in these markets, you're paying the price through inflation and cost of living. So the next time you hear headlines like dollar or gold hits all-time high, you will know the real story behind the numbers. That's all for today. In the next episode, we'll learn something exciting, how you can track and invest in these markets to protect your money and maybe even grow it. For more such financial videos, keep following Yes Securities. See you in the next one.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.